Welcome to the Sales app for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, developed by Shreeji Softinfo Consultancy, LLP. This app provides a comprehensive view of your sales performance, customer insights, item performance, salesperson effectiveness, and location-wise sales analysis. The objective of this app is to help business users make faster and more informed decisions through interactive dashboards and actionable insights. The Sales Dashboard home page serves as the central navigation hub of the application. You can quickly access the following analysis pages: Sales by item, Sales by customer, Sales by salesperson, and Sales by location. Each navigation card takes you directly to a dedicated report page focused on a specific business area. The dashboard also displays key business indicators of total sales, gross profit, and gross profit margin. These KPIs provide an immediate overview of overall business performance. Now we go through our pages one by one. First, we go to our Sales by Item page that helps analyze item performance across the organization. You can analyze Sales Amount by month, where you can see monthly analysis of sales of selected year. Sales Amount by Item category in descending order. Sales Analysis Table by Item category and items, where you can see gross profit margin of every item categories and items. You can identify high-performing products, monitor sales trends, and make informed purchasing and stocking decisions. Use the Home button in the top left corner to return to the main dashboard. From there, you can navigate to the other pages for detailed sales analysis. Now we go to the Sales by Customer page that provides a complete customer performance analysis. You can analyze number of new customers, sales amount versus gross profit by month. This visual helps you track monthly sales performance alongside gross profit margin, allowing you to understand whether revenue growth is translating into profitable business growth and identify trends that may require attention. Sales Amount by Customer in descending order. Sales Analysis Table by customers and items with gross profit margin. To view detailed information, simply right-click on any field or data point and select the available drill-through option. This will take you to a detailed analysis page related to your selection. To return to the previous page, click the back button located at the top of the drill-through page. This page helps identify strategic customers, understand buying patterns, and improve customer relationship management. Now we go through our third page of the Sales by Salesperson page to evaluate the effectiveness of the sales team. You can analyze average sales per salesperson across the year, monthly sales trend by every salesperson, sales amount by salesperson in descending order, Sales Analysis Table by salesperson, customers, and items. Click the plus icon next to a salesperson to view their customers. Expand a customer to see the items associated with that customer, enabling detailed sales analysis. Management can use this information to recognize top performers, identify coaching opportunities, and improve overall sales productivity. Now our final page of the Sales by Location that provides geographical sales analysis. You can analyze average sales by location, sales amount by location, sales breakdown by location. This decomposition tree helps you analyze current year sales by drilling down from salesperson to customer, location, item category, and item details, making it easy to identify sales contributors and gain deeper business insights. Sales Analysis Table by location and items. This information helps businesses understand regional demand patterns and identify opportunities for growth. All report pages include interactive slicers and filters. You can filter data by provided slicers. Date, customer, item category, item number and description, salesperson, and location. Selections made in slicers automatically update all visuals on the page, enabling focused and personalized analysis. The Sales app includes several interactive capabilities. Cross-filtering between visuals, drill-down functionality, drill-through analysis, dynamic KPIs, interactive charts and tables. You can click on any chart, data point, or visual element to instantly filter and analyze related information across the report. This interactive functionality helps you quickly explore trends, identify key insights, and gain a deeper understanding of your sales data without manually applying filters. The Sales app provides several business advantages. Centralized sales reporting, faster decision-making, improved visibility into sales performance, better customer analysis, enhanced inventory planning, improved salesperson performance monitoring, location-based sales insights, reduced manual reporting effort. By combining operational and analytical information into a single platform, organizations can increase efficiency and improve business performance. Thank you for using the Sales app for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, developed by Shreeji Softinfo Consultancy, LLP. We hope this solution helps your organization gain deeper sales insights, improve decision-making, and drive business growth. For additional support, documentation, or customization requests, please contact Shreeji Softinfo Consultancy, LLP.